Hey everyone, and welcome back to Studio 3B. Today I wanted to discuss with you my new subwoofer, my Polk Audio HTS12. I wanted to unbox it, and then I wanted to demonstrate it to you. Okay, what's up everyone? I'm going to be unboxing the HTS12 subwoofer by Polk Audio. Just came in the mail today, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. It tells you to open it up from the top, so I'm following those directions. Okay, inside it comes with some styrofoam packaging. It has a Polk Audio manual. Alright, it comes with a power cable. Looks like a 2-prong power cable. Alright, we got the top styrofoam. Inside it says this bag is not a toy, and it's covered in a bag. I think the best way to do this is probably just to lift it out. Let me give that a try. Okay, it's pretty heavy. I don't know what the specs say on the website about how heavy it is, but it's not too heavy that I can't lift it, but it takes a little strength to get it out of there. So let's take the bag off. Careful not to damage the subwoofer itself. Got a little static to it, but there you go. It's got, like I said, a good amount of heft to it. It's got a grill on it. Take the grill off and show you. It smells like a new speaker, new car smell kind of thing. It's got a 12-inch, I got the 12-inch speaker. That looks pretty nice. And it has a little Polk Audio label there. Underneath is the bass port to the floor, and there's some sticky feet that are keeping it from sliding around too much. This is the black ash, I believe black ash or black maple finish. And you're familiar with the controls from all the websites and everything, but you know, you have the volume, low pass filter, on-off switch and phase control. Also line in and LFE in. Power cable goes there. First, we're going to compare the sound coming out of my system with my current setup, which is two 10-inch PSW 10s by Polk Audio. That's 100 watts per sub. And we're going to compare that to the sound coming out with just one single 12-inch HTS12 subwoofer. So these are my impressions after about a week of listening to this subwoofer. Right off the bat, I'll notice that cutting down by one sub, no matter how much more powerful or larger the new sub is, definitely reduces the bass response of the sound. So just by listening to the recordings that I showed you, you can see and hear that the bass is much more boomy and loud in the first track with the two 10-inch subwoofers. What I'll say about the 12-inch sub by itself is that it does seem to be more musical. It goes deeper, much deeper in the bass frequencies, and it seems to have a much cleaner sound. The notes are not muddied nearly as much as they were in the 10-inch 100-watt subwoofer. The detail is more clear in the low end, and music is just much more enjoyable to listen to. It just doesn't have that powerful factor that it had with the two subwoofers together. It doesn't have the chest pounding bass any longer. Even though there is 400 watts going to that one sub, it just doesn't have the same chest hitting powerfulness. So this begs the question, should I go in for a second subwoofer? And I think everybody would agree, yes, I should save my money and just get a second subwoofer. Another HTS12 would complement this one nicely, and I should get the power back. For now, if I want a lot of bass, I could leave in one of the 10-inch subwoofers combined with the 12-inch, and that adds much more bass. It's just that the sound is much more muddied. Or I could turn up the volume on the single subwoofer, but it does actually muddy up the bass a little bit. I leave it EQ'd with the YPOW EQ system that comes with my Yamaha receiver, and I don't tend to mess with the volume gain on the subwoofer too much. So that's where I'm at with that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like this video, click the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.